Storytelling, the secret ingredient for engaging presentations. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to discuss a fascinating aspect of effective presentation design, incorporating storytelling techniques. Storytelling can help make your presentations more engaging, memorable, and influential. Let's explore how you can use this technique to truly captivate your audience. The magic of storytelling lies in its ability to connect with people on an emotional level. When you share a story, you're not just sharing information, you're creating an experience. Stories make your presentation more personal, relatable, and hence more engaging. Every good story contains three essential elements: a beginning, a middle, and an end. The beginning sets the scene and introduces the characters. The middle, often called the climax, presents the problem or challenge. Finally, the end provides a resolution or a conclusion. In a presentation context, the beginning could introduce the topic or the problem you're addressing. The middle can detail the challenges encountered or the journey towards a solution. The end could discuss the outcomes, solutions, or learnings from the experience. So, how can you incorporate stories into your presentation? The trick is to relate the story to your key message. Perhaps you can use a personal story, a case study, or an anecdote that illustrates your point. Remember, the story should always serve to reinforce or illuminate the main points you're trying to make. Now, how to make your story engaging. Here are a few tips. 1. Use vivid language. Descriptive words and vivid imagery can help your audience visualize the story. 2. Create suspense. Keeping your audience guessing about what happens next will keep them engaged. 3. Keep it authentic. Authenticity resonates with people. Use real-life examples and genuine emotions. And there you have it, the art of incorporating storytelling techniques into your presentations. I hope you'll find these tips useful in making your presentations more engaging and memorable. Remember, a good story can turn a good presentation into an exceptional one. So, don't be afraid to share a story. Your audience will thank you for it. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy presenting.